It's one of the top alternatives for Twitter. Um, yeah, I think it's being co-founded by Jack Dorsey, which is former Twitter CEO, and it's getting more traction. At the moment, it's invite only, but a lot more people getting invites. So yeah, here's how it looks like. It's like looks like a copy of Twitter. You just have all of these accounts posting, and then you can just you can go to the post. You can like, you can share, you can copy post tags, you can report posts. Mm, you can see a lot of influencers here, like CEO at Figma, Dylan Field. Then you can see this search button where you can just discover all of these accounts in your network. Then you can see all these notifications, people following you, and then you can see your account, your posts, your replies, your followers. You can edit your profile, just change your display name, add a profile picture. Yeah, finally, if you want to post, you can just tap to post, and then you can upload picture or you can upload camera. It's not possible to post a video here at the moment. And then, yeah, you see it says here I have two invite codes. At the beginning, I was invited myself because this app is invite only at this moment. And the more you're using this app, the more invite codes you'll get. So it's not like every new user gets like 5 invite codes. No, like if you're using this app, you get some followers and you post some content, you will get more and more invite codes. So at the moment I have two, so just tap on those, you will see them revealed. You can copy them and share it to your friends. So yeah, and then when they create an account, they will need to enter the invite code. Then you have settings, you see my account, you see how many codes I have available. I can change my handle. It's actually a really good time right now to register at Blue Sky and get your handle because you can get like really cool handle. Like I have like my first name handle, Blue Sky Social. But also, if you have your own domain, you can add some TXT record and verify DNS record, and then you can just add your own handle with your own domain. Also, then you can just delete your account here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you can enable dark mode here easily. You can send some feedback to them, or maybe you can also reach out and uh, if you have some feedback or you want to reach out to their support, you can do it here. So yeah, and why is this app seen as an alternative or like one of the future of social media? Because it's kind of decentralized. So this app is kind of just like a front end, just like an entrance to social app, while yeah, to social media, but like the backend here is based on protocol. So it's decentralized protocol, which is not controlled by one company, and it's just, as I understand, just like a collection of nodes of servers, decentralized servers. And like if you, for example, get banned on Blue Sky, you can take your account you're following, move to another servers, and you have all your like you have million followers here. You can just take all your followers, even if you banned on this app, and move to another app, and so on, for example. And then so it's very hard in this way to actually ban you, to censor you, to anything like that. So it's kind of like a new interesting concept. Yeah, where you have kind of more free speech, more decentralized social networking. I guess it's just one of those experiments. Blue Sky apps, there are a bunch of others. There is Damus. Uh, so yeah, hope that is helpful.